What is the voltage produced by the voltaic cell consisting of a calcium electrode in contact with the solution of copper 2+ ions? Which one is anode and which one is cathode? So we have two half reactions here. I'm gonna write both of them. One of them is calcium, which is in ionic form, 2+, aqueous phase, plus 2 electrons. It's gonna give us calcium in solid phase. And the reduction potential is negative 2.87 volt. On the other hand, we have ionic copper in aqueous phase. That's going to be Cu, and Er is going to be 0.34 volt. So basically I found these two reactions and these numbers from the table called standard reduction potential. So now first of all, let's find out which one is anode and which one is cathode. So the one that has greater number is cathode, and the other one is going to be anode. Cathode is the electrode that reduction happens, so it has stronger oxidizing agent, and in anode oxidation happens. So this one is going to oxidize calcium. So let's find out the cell potential. It's going to be delta E R equals to standard reduction potential in cathode minus standard reduction potential in anode, which will be 0.34 minus negative 2.87. Which is going to give me 3.21 volt. So that's going to be the voltage produced by a voltaic cell consisting of calcium and copper.